Okay, I'm gonna do the scenes where I'm chasing the old man on a forest over at Lake Park, which is right across the street. I'm gonna edit this into those scenes where that old guy's running, that 9-year-old man. Okay, here we go. Cut this perfect. The fisherman went looking for more victims. I get you, old man. It's too fast for me. Cut those perfect. Okay. And there you see the date. There's the time on deck. It is Sunday. This time on deck. Sunday the 17th of November 2013. That's Lake Park over there. That's where the old man was running. And film scenes where I'm chasing him in the fisherman. Okay, that's perfect. Now you do the scenes where I'm chasing Ed Carroll Hop.